We all keep on sending and receiving messages. We can't imagine a single day without texting. But do you know that you can know a lot about someone's personality from the way the person messages, the way the person texts? And today we are going to discuss exactly that. But before I start, let me just tell you, consider this as a fun video. Of course, you will be able to know about the personality of a person, but in order to know the personality perfectly, we need to analyze a lot of things. Just depending on the text message, you can't come to a 100% conclusion. I personally would say that. So let's get started. Hey, I'm Ranja and welcome to my channel. And yes, if you're new or if you have not subscribed yet, then please do subscribe for interesting videos like this one. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that whenever I upload my video, you get a message and you don't miss it. So your friend has the habit of texting you short but many messages. It comes one after the other. These type of people are very energetic. The moment the person thinks of something, he or she has to immediately communicate. That is why this person sends you short but many messages. And he or she types very fast. These type of people are generally hardworking and ambitious. If you belong to this group, then you are liked by all your friends. You are the life of all parties. But what if your friend is just the opposite? You write so many messages and your friend just answers in one word. Okay. Or even worse, K or yes. So now we are talking about people who write and send one word text messages. Well, these messages can be interpreted in quite a few ways. So let us discuss. Well, maybe the person is very reserved and he or she does not like to share his or her feelings with everyone. It can also be that this person is an introvert. An introvert does not mean it's something bad. A person can be an introvert, can be shy. Or maybe the person wants to talk or really can open up when he or she is in person talking to you and not messaging you. So this person maybe prefers to sit in front of you and talk rather than message. So it can be any one of these, but these people, those who send one word messages, they are generally logical, sensitive, and sometimes they are lost in their thoughts. If you belong to this group, then you are very straightforward and you don't say things to please others. Now let's move on to the next group. Those who are absolutely opposite to what I told you right now. Those who send long messages and they write a lot and everything, is clearly stated. Well, if your friend sends you very long text messages, then your friend gives a lot of importance to feelings of others. And of course, the person loves to express himself or herself and doesn't hide his or her feelings. These type of people generally are very sensitive and thoughtful. And you know what? Whatever they do in their personal life as well, they give a lot of importance to detail. Generally, people who belong to this group, they never take a hasty decision and they think a lot before they take a decision. If you belong to this group, then you are a great thinker and of course you are kind and compassionate. So your friends' text messages are full of those smileys, heart and lots of emojis. Well, that means your friend does not like to hide his or her feelings and want to express exactly what he or she feels. If you belong to this group, then your emotions are an important part of your life and your personality, and you never hide your emotions. It's not only when you are happy that you send emojis. Even when you are sad, angry, frustrated, whatever, you are not going to hide your feelings. People who belong to this group give a lot of importance to their communication, and they want their communication to be transparent. They don't want any misunderstanding. If you belong to this group, then you are a simple minded person, and yes, someone who is very honest. Do you have that one friend who keeps on messaging you whether you answer or not? You are not replying, but the messages are going on coming. Of course, you think, oh God, this friend of mine is so impatient. Yes, the person is impatient, but I have to say that this person is also very brave. If you belong to this group, then you are, that type of person who will never give up and who will go after what you really like. Well, my advice to you will be, from now on, be a little more patient, wait for your friend to reply. I have sent my friend the message at 10 o'clock in the morning and it's 6 o'clock in the evening and I'm still waiting for a reply. So do you have a friend like this who always answers very, very late? What does that mean? It can mean that your friend is extremely busy and gives a lot of importance to work much more than socializing. It can also mean that your friend doesn't like texting. It can also mean that your friend is avoiding you. And in that case, if you feel like that, then no more messages. Do call and talk to your friend. And if you are a person who, after writing the message, adds textism like OMG or haha, then it obviously means that you don't want to hide your feelings. But it can also be that you are not sure as to how the other person whom you are messaging will react. That is why you are adding these. If you belong to this group, then you don't like conflicts and you don't want to sound rude. You always want to make others happy, and that's a very good thing to do. Hey, my friend messaged me finally. By the way, how do you message? What is your style of texting? Do you use a lot of emojis? Whatever it is, I hope you found this video fun and interesting, and if you did, then do click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos, and please do click the bell icon. Bye for now and thanks for watching.